Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable keyboard shortcuts in the Zoom on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, which version of the iOS you have, or even if you have an iPad, it is all going to work the same. So let's go to the settings, then accessibility, then zoom, and once you're here you have this option called keyboard shortcuts. So now this is on, as you can see right now, and here you can turn on the specific shortcuts on the keyboard. So let's say you have a connected keyboard to your iPhone, but I guess in the most cases you're going to get it connected in the iPad, but the settings and how to get it are the same. So you can turn on or turn off the specific shortcuts just by tapping the buttons, or you can just disable all shortcuts or enable them at all. So as you can see, if you type those combination of the keys on the keyboard, you are going to toggle zoom. Those you're going to adjust the zoom level. Those you're going to move zoom window, switch zoom region, and temporarily toggle zoom. So once you press those combination of those keys on the keyboard, it will bring you the zoom. But as I said, you can disable those keyboard shortcuts, and no keyboard shortcut is going to enable zoom, toggle it, or do anything with the zoom. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!